Because, listen, when I'm on the show, I've got a task in front of me. I've got to stamp out disease and suffering the whole time.
Right.
I'm focused on that story, and I don't get to talk about everything I want to talk about and necessarily talk to interesting people about interesting things. And, you know, as you know, there's a clock ticking down over here. I got to get to the point. And in a podcast, I don't have to do that. I get to talk to whoever I want to, whenever I want to, for as long as I want to about any damn thing I choose.
I see.
And I like that.
You are a little bit tired